The Forno commercial liquid propane deep fryer is built for high-volume frying with a durable stainless steel construction that ensures long-lasting performance and low maintenance. 4 gas burners, totaling 120,000 BTU, delivering consistent heat, while precision thermostatic controls allow adjustable temperatures from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for reliable cooking results.
Dual-wire mesh baskets with cool touch handles and a full port drain valve improve efficiency and safety during operation. Designed with a compact vertical build, adjustable legs, and a built-in backsplash, this fryer simplifies cleaning and maximizes kitchen space. The self-sufficient snap-action thermostat requires no electrical connection, making installation straightforward. For added safety, advanced overheating protection keeps operations secure. Ideal for any commercial kitchen, this fryer combines power, durability, and ease of use to increase productivity and output. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every Forno appliance. Forno, lowering the cost of living.